The Commandant of the SF-10 Meghalaya, K Iangrai, was arrested today after a raid was conducted as part of the investigation into the alleged misappropriation of funds in the purchase of 29 official police vehicles when he was in the position of Assistant Inspector General of Police Administration. It may be mentioned that on October 28, 2022, the Crime Investigation Department, or CID, had registered a case against Ïangrai under the Prevention of Corruption Act. In the meantime, police sources informed that Ïangrai's name had also been included in the inquiry report for misappropriation of funds into the construction of the National Emergency Response System building at Sadar police station.